Hen benefits. Certainly, hens provide various benefits, particularly in the context of poultry farming and agriculture. Here are some of the key benefits of hens. Egg production. Hens are primarily raised for egg production. They lay eggs regularly, making them a valuable source of high-quality protein for human consumption. Meat production. In addition to eggs, hens are also raised for meat, commonly referred to as broilers. The meat from hens is lean and nutritious, making it an essential protein source in many diets. Natural pest control. Hens are excellent at foraging for insects and pests in agricultural fields or gardens. They can help reduce the population of pests and contribute to pest control in a sustainable manner. Fertilizer production. Hens produce nutrient-rich manure, which can be used as an organic fertilizer for gardens and crops. It contains essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Income generation. Raising hens can be a source of income for farmers and individuals. Selling eggs, meat, or even live chickens can provide a steady source of revenue. Sustainability. Hens can be raised in backyard settings, promoting self-sufficiency and sustainability. They can help reduce food waste by consuming kitchen scraps. Education. Keeping hens can be an educational experience for both children and adults. It teaches responsibility and provides insights into animal behavior and biology. Therapeutic value. Some people find the act of caring for hens to be therapeutic and stress-relieving. Backyard chickens can serve as pets with the added benefit of egg production. Local food production. Raising hens locally contributes to local food production and reduces the carbon footprint associated with transportation of eggs and meat from distant locations. Biodiversity. Maintaining diverse breeds of hens can help preserve biodiversity and genetic diversity within the poultry species. It's important to note that while hens offer these benefits, responsible and ethical animal husbandry practices should be followed to ensure their welfare and to minimize negative environmental impacts. Additionally, local regulations and guidelines related to keeping hens should be considered when engaging in poultry farming or backyard chicken keeping.